Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to use UNGER's professional cleaning tools correctly and to answer any questions you may have on topics relating to professional window cleaning. Today, we're looking at when and how to change the resin in your HydroPower Ultra DI pure water filter. The filter has a digital meter that shows you when it's time to change the resin. It displays the hardness of the pure water coming out of the filter. If the DS value is higher than 10 ppm, you need to change the Ultra resin packs. Here's what to do. First, turn off the water supply and close the water inlet valve on the DI filter. Now disconnect the bottom hose from the filter. Now open the water inlet valve again so that the water can drain out of the appliance. Now you can also disconnect the top hose. Next, press the yellow lever and open the lid by twisting it. Time to replace the Ultra resin packs. Whether you have the large or small HydroPower Ultra DI filter, changing the resin is similar for both and is very easy. The small HydroPower Ultra DI filter only contains one resin pack. Once this is used up, remove it from the tank and insert a new Ultra resin pack, the one with the green ring, into the device using circular shifting movements. This will help the resin pack slide into the tank more easily. Check that the new resin pack is properly inserted and correctly positioned in the tank. It should be lying flat against the inner edge without moving. If nothing wobbles, you know that it's correctly positioned. Here's a tip. If necessary, stamp the tank on the floor to get the resin pack in position. If you have a large DI filter with 3 Ultra resin packs, the procedure is very similar. First, remove the 3 used resin packs from the appliance. Very important now, make sure you insert the new resin packs in the correct order. First, the 2 resin packs with the red ring at the top and bottom, then the resin pack with the green ring at the top. Again, do this in even, circular movements. Is the green ring resting on the edge all the way round? Perfect. Then you can close the lid on both appliances. Simply twist it until it clicks into place without pressing the yellow lever. And now reconnect the water hoses. First the water outlet at the top of the appliance and then the hose to the valve at the bottom. Don't forget to turn on the water. Ease any air out of the system by pressing and holding the yellow lever until water comes out. While the water is running, check the TDS value on the display until it shows 0. Green lights all round. Now you can get back to work. For further information and more videos about pure water cleaning, head to our YouTube channel. Simply subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications.